He led Britain through war, but he fought a private war too. Winston Churchill called his depression the black dog. Some days it followed him quietly. Other days it dragged him into darkness. Yet during World War II, he stood before a nation and said, "We shall never surrender." Leadership isn't the absence of struggle, it's rising despite it. The same man who battled inner storms steered a country through outer ones. Strength isn't feeling unbreakable, it's standing anyway. Even when the black dog walks beside you, follow turbulent flow for powerful lessons.